battery replacement on HP Pavilion 15 CW1002AU laptop. Thank you, Sir Jose, for trusting PETIT Solutions. A complete battery replacement service was performed on the HP Pavilion 15 CW1002AU laptop to restore its mobility, power efficiency, and overall reliability. Over time, the original battery had degraded, resulting in reduced charge capacity, shorter operating time, and inconsistent power delivery. This not only affected the laptop's usability when operating without a charger, but also posed a risk of sudden shutdowns that could interrupt important tasks. The process began with a careful disassembly of the laptop's bottom casing to safely access the internal battery compartment. The old, faulty battery was disconnected from the system board and removed with proper handling to avoid any damage to surrounding components. A brand new, high-quality compatible battery was then installed securely into place, ensuring correct alignment and connection with the laptop circuitry. Battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.